In this part of the program, we are going to learn about the where statement, the subsetting data. The produce a listing report that displays information for pilots only. So we want to see that particular listing report which are only containing for the pilot. So the where statement enables you to select observation that meet a certain condition, can be used with most SAS procedures. So now let's see how it is possible. So where statement, general expression of the where statement, general syntax rule would be where expression. So where expression is a sequence of operands and operators. So operands includes variables and constants. So now we need to understand the subsetting where statement. What are the operators? There are different operators. 4 operators are there. One is comparison operators, one is logical operators, special operators, and functions. So one by one we will understand that what are these operators are. So firstly, logical or comparison operators. Comparison operators, that is EQ, mnemonics, and symbolizing, that is equals to symbol, and define definition equals to, like that, not equals to, not equal to, then greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to one of a list. So for that we are using EQ, NE, GT, greater than, LT, GE, NE, LE, and IN, right? So these are the mnemonics we will use for as the operator in our program. Now say where comparison operator, how it is working. So where salary greater than 25,000, where MPID 0082 within inverted comma, right, within inverted comma, within a quote. So where salary is a null value, as I told you that when the numeric value is not having a missing value, so any data that is a missing value, so it is showing as a dot or periods. So where salary is a dot, and where last name blank, right, so missing value, and where job code in pilot in capital letter, it is in capital letter. We have to check before that how this particular observation written in that particular data set. If it is in capital letter, then we have to write in capital uppercase, or if it is in proper case, then we have to write in proper case, or mixed case, if it is, we have to write in mixed case, whatever it may be. The character comparisons are case sensitive, and the in operator allows commas or blanks to separate values. So let's see another operator, that is called logical operator. There are 3 logical operators, and, or, not. So if both expressions are true, then the compound expression is true, where job code is equal to FLTAT and salary greater than 50,000. So where these both expression should be true, then both the expression, and we are operating, you are using and. So when if the both expressions are true, then the compound expression is true. Or if either expression is true, then the compound expression is true, where job code is equal to pilot or job code is equal to FLTAT. Not can be combined with other operators to reverse the logic of a comparison, where job code not in pilot or FLTAT, right? So here are some special operators. So between and, so select the observation in which the value of the variables falls within a range of values, including where salary between 50,000 and 70,000. Constants, select the observation that includes a specified substring. Suppose where the name, say Lambert, Bellamy, or Elam. So each and every name is containing LAM, that word. So if we can use a note of interrogation, and within a quote mark, the LAM, which is the common 3 characters from the 3 names, so then we can find out all the name where the LAM is there. Now printing the selected observation, as we have already seen, that is how we can do it. So let's go to SAS window, SAS code window and execute this particular program, right? So here we want to see where job code is equal to pilot only, right? So let us see the same program. We'll write where job code is equals to, within quote, pilot in the semicolon, and the program, then you get the output. So this is showing only the job code who are having the pilot. So prior to that, when we run this particular procprint EMP data, so it is showing the entire all the job codes. There are different pilot and different test. So now if when we are doing this thing for with EMP ID and job code and salary, where job code is equal to pilot, so it is showing only the data which are job code, who is the value of job code is pilot. Now let us go to our presentation and I will show you sum. The sum statement produces the column totals. The general form of the sum statement, sum variables. The sum statement also produces the subtotals if you print the data in groups. So how we can do that? So we will just do the same thing. We'll just write a sum salary. Let's go to SAS window and let us see. So in this particular place, we'll write only sum salary, right? So if we run this code, so we can see this is the sum total is appearing in my output, right? So now sequencing and grouping observation. This part I am going to start in my next video.